Hello everyone, this is Erica. Welcome to our first session, where we will unravel the mysteries of Jodoo's Workspace. By the end of this session, you will have a clear grasp of how to customize the workspace, how to create and group apps, and how to switch teams. Now let's start right away. First, we need to get into Jodoo. Let's navigate to jodoo.com. If you are new to Jodoo, don't worry, signing up is a breeze, and it's completely free, with no credit card required. Click Start Free Trial to register. You can register using your phone number, but if you encounter any issues, just click the option at the bottom to register with your email. During registration, we will ask you a few questions to tailor your Jodoo experience. After registration, you will enjoy a generous 15-day free trial with access to popular features, but with some usage limitations. If you decide not to continue on a paid plan after the trial, don't worry, you will automatically be downgraded to the free plan. For those of you who are already Jodoo users, after navigating to jodoo.com, simply click Login. Enter your phone number or email and confirm your password to sign in. Be sure to check the Remember Me option so Jodoo can automatically sign you back in the next time. Once signed in, you will land on your workspace, which serves as your team's homepage. Now, if you are carving a bit of personalization, click the Set Up Default Workspace button in the top right corner. Here, you can adjust the layout to your liking, choosing from the three options for a layout that suits your workflow best. We can choose from the left sidebar, right sidebar, and single column. Under the layout components, you will find a list of page components. Jodoo has two fixed components, the Workflow Center and My Apps. Let's go back to our home page. This is the Workflow Center. It is your hub for task management, allowing you to track and manage all your tasks, including the workflows you initiated or engaged in. My Apps, on the other hand, houses all the apps you have access to. Let's go back to the Settings page. Here, we also have other page components, such as a shortcut, charts, and My Charts. Imagine you frequently use a specific form, like the sign-in form in the equipment management system. As we demoed earlier, if you want to access the sign-in form, you need to first get into the equipment management app. Go to the Sign In and Sign Out folder, and then find this form. It is quite troublesome, but not anymore. We can simplify this process by adding a shortcut to your workspace. We can drag and drop to add a shortcut. Click Settings. On the Settings page, click Add Shortcut. Find the form we need. Then click OK to save the shortcut. If needed, you can drag and drop to rearrange the shortcuts for a tailored workspace. Here, after I save the settings, we will see the shortcut bar on the top with the shortcut I have added. It can bring me to the form in one click. Let's go back to the settings page. We also have Charts and My Charts option, which are ideal for displaying dashboard charts directly on your workspace. The difference between Charts and My Charts is that only the admin can edit the Charts option. Once the admin adds a chart with the Charts option, this chart will be available for all users on their workspace. On the other hand, my charts are only available for individual users on their end. Let's click Save. As you can see, here is a chart I added with the Charts option. It is available for me automatically, and I cannot edit it. And this one is My Charts option. It is blank by default, and I can add a chart for myself. It will only be available on my own homepage, but not for others. For more fun, we also have rich text, banners, and my favorite. They are handy when customizing a homepage. Just feel free to play your magic to set up your own workspace. Now, let's go back and add some apps. Click the New App button. In Jodoo, we can create an app from scratch or with a template. Here, let's start from scratch. Click New App, name your app, and assign it to a group. Feel free to pick up an icon for your app. Then you will be able to start with creating forms and dashboards for your app. If you don't have any ideas for the app yet, relax, we can also create an app with a template. We can visit the Template Center for apps designed for common scenarios. You can install the app with sample data to try out the templates. Please note that only the admins can install an app. Once installed, the app will be automatically put under the Others group of your workspace. If you have your own ideas but having trouble bringing them into reality, don't hesitate to contact us. Once our app is created, we can still drag and drop to move it to different groups. And if you ever want to reorganize your apps, click the gear icon next to My Apps. Here you can add, remove, or sort the groups. You can also drag and drop to sort the apps here. This is one of the most fantastic things about Jodoo. We have so many ways to achieve the same goal. You just need to explore your favorite way. Now comes to our final question, how to switch teams. Click the 9 dots in the top left corner. Then you will be able to see the name of your current team. And next to that is a switch button. Click it to see the list of the teams you joined. You can switch between them or join a new team. To join a new team, you will need the invite link. Only the admins with contact's permission can create an invitation link. We will show you the details in the next session. There is one last thing I want to show you on your home page. It is an open platform. If you ever need a new feature or want to integrate Jodoo with your existing systems, the open platform is your playground. To fulfill your unique requirements, you can develop functions using front-end events, APIs, webhooks, and more, either by yourself or by leveraging functions created by Jodoo or third-party providers. That concludes our exploration of the workspace. In our next session, we will dive into managing contacts. Thank you for watching. This is Erica. See you next time. Until then, happy Jodooing!